Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hello traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index edged up to 98.49 on Monday, rebounding from last Friday's lows as traders positioned ahead of tomorrow's key inflation data. July CPI is expected to rise 0.2%, slightly below June's 0.3%, while the annual rate may accelerate for a third straight month to 2.8%. Core CPI is also forecast to quicken to 0.3%. Despite persistent inflation, markets are pricing an 88% chance of a 25 basis point Fed rate cut next month, with another cut later this year already factored in. WTI crude traded near $63.3 a barrel after logging its sharpest weekly loss since late June as tariff tensions clouded the economic outlook. This Friday's meeting between Presidents Putin and Trump will be closely watched, with both sides reportedly working toward an agreement to end the war in Ukraine and settle territorial disputes. Such a breakthrough could ease sanctions on Russia, though tensions over oil trade remain high. The US dollar's strength last Friday, despite a weekly drop, has also dampened demand for dollar-priced crude from foreign buyers. Gold prices fell to $3,340 an ounce on Monday after President Trump announced the metal would not face tariffs, easing fears of sharply higher import costs. This came after a US customs ruling that Swiss gold bars of 1 kilogram and 100 ounces would face a 39% tariff applied to bullion from other countries under current US rates. Trump signed an executive order extending a pause on steep US tariffs against Chinese goods by 90 days, just hours before the suspension was set to expire. The yen held near 148.1 per dollar on Monday, trading in a tight range as investors assessed the Bank of Japan's policy outlook. Minutes from the July meeting showed board members still view further rate hikes as appropriate, despite heightened uncertainty from global trade tensions. Some members favoured keeping the current accommodative stance for now, citing major risk to the bank's forecasts. Looking ahead, markets await Japan's second quarter GDP, the Reuters Tankan survey, producer prices and machinery orders for more direction. The euro traded near 1.162 against the dollar on Monday, supported by hopes that a Trump-Putin summit this Friday could pave the way for easing sanctions. Traders are also awaiting US CPI data due Tuesday. Trump and Putin are set to meet in Alaska to discuss an end to the war in Ukraine, with Trump imposing the 8th of August deadline for an immediate ceasefire or tougher US sanctions. As the deadline looms, optimism over the potential talks has offered the euro a short-term lift.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.